7 years of estrangement, there seems to be a possible thaw in the offing in ties between Uddhav Thackeray and his cousin Raj Thackeray. In an interview to party mouthpiece Samna, Shiv Sena's new chief Uddhav Thackeray has offered the olive branch to MNS chief Raj Thackeray, his first cousin. Uddhav Thackeray has said, and I quote, "If Raj wants an alliance with the Shiv Sena, we will welcome him. I welcome everyone who is genuinely willing to join hands with us. This is a question that the two of us, Raj and I, have to sit together and discuss. The two of us have to decide the answer together." Many believed that after the party patriarch's death, the cousins would patch up, but hostility has remained somewhat. Raj Thackeray had split from the Shiv Sena in 2006 to form the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. This possible reconciliation will of course spell trouble for the Congress NC government in Maharashtra.
तो जो इंटरव्यू लिया है उसमें वो साफ तरह से क्या कहना चाहते हैं, एक बात है। दूसरी बात, उन्होंने राज ठाकरे को दोषी भी माना है कि मराठी वोट काटने का
मुझे आप ऐसे नेगेटिव दृष्टिकोण से मत देखिए इंटरव्यू में। अगर आप पूरा इंटरव्यू पढ़े, ध्यान से पढ़े, तो आपको मुझे लगता है कि आप ये भी जान जाए कि ये पूरा इंटरव्यू है, ये शिवसेना किस दिशा में जाएगी, किस दिशा में जाना चाहते हैं, और कहीं भी शिवसेना की जो भक्कम एकजुट है वो उद्धव जी रखना चाहते हैं। बाला साहब की जो शिवसेना थी वही शिवसेना उद्धव जी आगे लेना चाहते हैं। और राज ठाकरे जी के बारे में जो बात कही है वो उद्धव जी के जो भूमिका है आप सामना में देखी है, और मुझे लगता है कि उसके ऊपर आप मुझे प्रश्न मत पूछिए।
आज उद्धव ठाकरे जी हो या राज ठाकरे जी हो और भाजपा हो, वो बाला साहब की इच्छा पूरी करने के लिए प्रयास करेंगे। उनका आखिरी बयान जब से उन्होंने अभी दशहरे के सम्मेलन में दिया था, तो उन्होंने कहा था भारत में और महाराष्ट्र में परिवर्तन होना चाहिए और उसके लिए सबने प्रयास करना चाहिए। उनका ये जो सपना है, मुझे लगता है राज ठाकरे, उद्धव ठाकरे जी और बीजेपी ने सोचकर ये सपना पूरे करने के लिए अपने कुछ मुद्दे छोड़कर, अपने कुछ अलग अलग बातें छोड़कर एक कॉमन प्रोग्राम पर एक आने के बारे में सोचना चाहिए।
Let's get a quick word in from Headlines Today's Kamlesh Sutaru joins me live from Mumbai. Kamlesh, what is Uddhav Thackeray intending to do here really?
Well, Shiv, it was very clear. Uddhav Thackeray knows 2014 elections are around the corner and the Sena BJP alliance has been out of power for 18 long years. And they know the way Raj Thackeray has performed in the last assembly elections or even the recent municipal elections. Raj Thakray's party is no more a novice in Maharashtra politics. It's a force to reckon with in Maharashtra politics. They have damaged the party's prospects in 2009 elections. This fact cannot be ignored. Raj Thackeray, though, has small number in the assembly, 13 MLAs at this point of time, but he certainly damaged the Shiv Sena's prospects as his candidates were at number 2 and number 3 at many places where the Shiv Sena and BJP fought. So with the 2014 elections round the corner, there are so many issues that could give the Shiv Sena BJP an upper hand. But if the MNS is out of power, it will only damage their prospects. So Uddhav Thackeray knows this well. After 7 long years, for the first time, he has not blamed Raj Thackeray for the division of Marathi votes. He in fact says that we should sit together and decide who our political opponents are and what should we do. Now, even when Balasaheb Thackeray was alive, he in his couple of interviews had said that the duo should come together. Even that point of time, Uddhav never extended any olive branch to Raj Thackeray. But at this point of time, when he is embarking upon the state tour, preparing his party for the 2014 elections, he extending an olive branch certainly is a step that is taken.
Has there been any response from Raj Thackeray or the MNS on this statement in this interview by Uddhav, Kamlesh?
No, Raj Thakray's party has decided not to comment. In fact, Raj Thackeray said that he is not going to comment on this issue. And he has also, sources say, highly placed sources in the party, senior leaders have been told not to give any statements on this interview at this point of time. So Raj Thackeray is playing his cards close to his chest. He may wait and watch. He will be embarking upon a state tour. And only then in his public rallies, he might just come up with his stance, what he has to say about the offer of an alliance.